Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa press release na inilabas na Securities and Exchange Commission noong October 13, 2023 kung saan ang SEC daw ay nag-file na money laundering case laban po sa Silver Lion Livestock Trading Corp. The Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC has filed a money laundering complaint against Silver Lion Livestock Trading Corp after it was found to be illegally soliciting investments from the public. Together with the Anti-Money Laundering Council, the Commission through its deputized AMLAC financial investigators filed on October 5 a joint complaint against Silver Lion for violation of Section 4B of Republic Act No. 9160 or the Anti-Money Laundering Act as amended. The complaint also implicated Silver Lion Chief Executive Officer Ryan Kagod Laduing, President Renan Lara Laduing, Vice President Michael Villalobos Berha, and Master Bagman John Paul Lopez, as well as Rosemary Alvarez Guzman and Nena Ewayan Algoy, who were found to be participating in the promotion of Silver Lion's investment solicitation activities. Section 4B of the AMLA provides that money laundering is committed by any person who, knowing that any monetary instrument or property represents, involves, or relates to the proceeds of any unlawful activity, converts, transfers, disposes of, moves, acquires, possesses, or uses said monetary instrument or property. In the complaint, the SEC alleged that Silver Lion was able to meet the four elements of money laundering, namely the existence of unlawful activity, proceeds of the unlawful activity, knowledge, and possession of such proceeds. Alam naman natin na isang investment scam yan Silver Lion at wala na pong payout dyan. At nagsusolicit sila ng investment noon sa publiko kahit na wala silang secondary license at illegal po iyon. The SEC noted that Silver Lion engaged in unlawful activity when it offered investments to the public without the necessary licenses from the Commission in violation of Republic Act No. 8799 or the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Silver Lion was found to have offered to the public 50,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos worth of investments with the promise of up to 2.3% earnings daily or a total of 35% returns within 15 days. The group also offered a special promo involving the car of choice of any investor who locks in 400,000 pesos worth of investment for 60 days. Alam naman natin na yung mga companies ay mahilig po yung magpa-promo kapag patakbo na. At isa nga sa papromo nila yan na pag nag-lock in ka daw ng 400,000 pesos ay magkakaroon ka pa rin ng kotse. Pero tinakbuhan na nila yung mga members nila, yung mga investors nila. Kaya nga mga kababayan, mag-ingat kayo dyan sa mga investment scams na yan, mga investment schemes na yan. Lalo na kapag nagpapapromo na sila, lalo na yung may mga parapol, mga buy one take one o mas malaking pangakong kitaan. Dahil patakbo na yan. Talagang nang-hype na lang sila para maabot na nila yung quota nila para nga makatakbo na. Proceeds of the unlawful activity amounted to 17.89 million pesos representing cash seized during the implementation of a search warrant in Silver Lion's offices in Zamboanga City by operatives of the Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group together with the SEC Zamboanga Extension Office last year. The operation showed that Silver Lion had actual and or constructive possession of the proceeds of the unlawful activity. The law further provides that such amount must be pursued for forfeiture in favor of the government. The company cannot feign that they lack knowledge of the unlawful activity given the several cases filed against it for the same offenses before the Regional Trial Court of Zamboanga City according to the complaint. Consistent with the overall scheme of Ryan and Renan Laduing and their cohorts, including the other respondents herein, in attaining their end goal of profiting from the illegal acts constituting violations of the SRC and the seized cash of 17,888,925 pesos, they possessed either actual and or constructive, there is a clear and convincing evidence that respondents committed money laundering under Section 4B, possession of proceeds of the AMLA, the complaint read. Those found guilty of money laundering shall be sentenced to imprisonment from 7 to 14 years and a fine of not less than 3 million pesos, but not more than twice the value of the monetary instrument or property involved in the offense. The filing of the complaint follows the revocation of Silver Lion's corporate registration last January for its unregistered investment solicitation activities and the earlier issuance of a cease and desist order against the company and its officers, directors, and agents. Separate criminal cases for violations of the SRC are also pending with Branch 12 of the Regional Trial Court of Zamboanga City as a result of the inquest complaint filed by SEC before the Department of Justice in November 2022. Ang parusa po dyan po sa paglabag nga sa SRC or sa Securities Regulation Code ay maaaring ang pagmultahin up to 5 million pesos at pwede rin pong makulong up to 21 years or parehas po. Kaya po mga kababayan, tigil-tigilan nyo na po ang pagsali dyan sa mga companies at tigil-tigilan nyo rin po ang pagre-recruit kasi pwede po kayo makasuhan ng mga downline ninyo kapag kayo ay nag-recruit at kapag tinakbuhan na nga kayo ng company na sinalihan ninyo. Tandaan nyo po, do sa mga upline, do sa mga recruiters ay may pananagutan po kayo sa batas at meron din kayong pananagutan doon sa downline ninyo. Pati po yung mga MOP o yung mode of payment o kung saan nga yung nagka-cash in, pati na rin yung bibigay ng cash out o yung payout ay pwede rin pong maisama sa kaso. Kaya po wag po kayong makikipagsabuhatan dyan sa mga companies na yan. Wag po kayong magpapasilaw doon sa pangako nilang pera sa inyo. Magandang balita ito kasi nagsampa ng kaso ang SEC laban sa isang company. Kaya mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa mga companies na yan. Dahil mari sa umpisa, padamahin kayo, bigyan kayo ng payout tulad ng ginawa ng CCO Media na sa umpisa pinapadama yung mga members, may payout pa, pero ngayon ay wala na pong payout. Mga kababayan, dapat po bago kayo pumasok sa kahit na anong investment, dapat mag-research po muna kayo at dapat i-check nyo yung legalities nila. Dapat po kompleto sila sa legalities at mayroon silang secondary license at i-verify po ninyo sa Securities and Exchange Commission kasi meron po mga kumpanya na namimeke ng dokumento. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.